gates here because there's
Hey
plenty
there.
of room.
My ear.
We just have to watch them.
Come here,
Goes the yellow boy. Here's the blue boy. I can't get movement. They're too fast. They're too
Oh
fast.
yeah.
They're
The
too
girl's the
fast.
fastest.
The girl's the fastest?
She's
Oh,
right
she's
there.
little.
She's
She's at her laces.
Yeah,
Hey,
right
hey,
there.
hey, hey. What's going on down here? Hey.
I like shoelaces.
I guess. That was my shoe.
Oh, be careful.
Don't fall. Don't fall. You big goose. Look at him go.
Hey, that's my zipper.
There's one over here.
I like the curly tails. I like that.
Don't uncurl them because it's like they have a nerve system back there.
Well, some of them, they curl so tight if you uncurl them, it hurts. Who's this? Was that the girl again?
Yeah, she likes to chew on stuff.
I think they all like to chew on stuff.
She
I
likes
could be wrong on that.
shoelaces and zippers. Go run around.
Go run around. But where's this one going? What are they, mountaineers or something? Look at them go.
In my house they are.
I guess. Robert and Jeff like to rock climb. We're so funny.